So we're here today to celebrate the official launch of HiVE, fantastic resource here in Peirianneg Gwerth. And we're delighted also to be welcoming the WorldSkills torch as part of the WorldSkills team relay, so a really momentous day.
It's just a really advanced place to get the bearings of engineering and go forward with engineering in your life. You know, there's just so much to help.
Skills competitions are very much the gold standard of skills development across the globe, and WorldSkills is the Olympics of those skills competitions. They're crucial to the future of our economy.
I think it's really cool to see all the new technology and how they're doing all new stuff that actually applies into the real world. This is very cool, yeah. Engineering wise, I would definitely go, yeah.
I'd like to go into the engineering sector, mainly in CAD, so I'd be able to work on different process designs. The HiVE is amazing for it as we have all high-tech facilities that we are able to use, as well as the different tutors that are able to help us.
HiVE really is the delivery of many partnerships working together to deliver this facility. So really all of that coming together into this fantastic facility is a delight to see.